guys? Hunter Smith back here for another video. And I have pretty good news. It ain't gonna matter to y'all, but today I made the best viewing YouTube video on my channel. It don't have many likes. It has 1 like and 1 dislike. Like out of 21 people, couldn't they at least like it? It's a joke. Well, kind of. Anyways, as much likes I've ever got on my YouTube channel, and it was a reaction video to Ryan Upchurchs and Katie Noel. I'm on Ryan Upchurchs' side. I unsubscribed from Katie Noel because I was, one, because I was dating, and plus I liked her music, but I just don't like her in general now. Anyway, I'm going to start talking about that YouTube video and get into this one. So, I'm playing Offroad Outlaws, if you can't tell, with the new update. Which kind of, I don't know, I like the new update. It's just, I've noticed with the cars and stuff, it's not as easy to drift, which I don't like. And then they gave us monster truck suspensions, which I do like. And the names here, if anybody playing Offroad Outlaw and you watch my video and you see your name, leave it down in the comments. If any of y'all watching this YouTube video is one of these people on that list, right here. If any of y'all on this, in the left corner, if any of y'all names is on that list, please drop down in the comments. And it's like, tell me which one y'all were. Like, let's say if I was watching my own YouTube video, like if it wasn't me and I watched a YouTube video and I might see my name's Hunter Smith and that's my Offroad Outlaws name too, and I would put Hunter Smith if y'all are playing Offroad Outlaws and you see your name. Okay, so I'm trying to grow my channel, so please like and subscribe. Now I know I don't make like the best quality YouTube videos, probably don't make good quality at all, but especially the video I did about Ryan Upchurchs and Katie Noel. By the way, go watch their channels. And I'm on Ryan Upchurchs' side, so yeah. Katie Noel is trying to prove him wrong when she's saying the same stuff he did. She's just, she don't know what she's talking about. Anyways, I'm just gonna be playing Offroad Outlaws, and like I said, I'm trying to grow my channel. So, like and subscribe, and go into the comments right now and tell me what y'all would like to see on Offroad Outlaws. Like, what would you see me try to build? What would you like to see me try to build? Or what would you like to see me do in Offroad Outlaws? And then I'll do a video on that, and I should have done that in the beginning instead of just now telling you all that, but go in the comments and tell me what y'all would like to see on Offroad Outlaws. And I'm thinking about doing a fishing gear review. Just showing y'all like all the gear I use, like most of it anyways. And stuff. If y'all would like to see that, leave a like and subscribe and go into the comments and say So I've recently built some new stuff, like some new monster trucks, because I've been fooling around with monster truck suspension, and I've just been building a bunch of random stuff, and half of it don't even make sense. Like this has the new monster truck suspension on it. This Duramax does. This does. I forget what that one's called. And then this, I know the name of that car, truck, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I know it, but I just can't remember. Then I have another Duramax, just like the teal one over there, except it's like brown looking. So what do I drive? What do y'all want to see me drive? I'm gonna drive the teal one because it's a funny looking one. I'm gonna take this one too. It's supposed to be a monster truck, but I'm gonna take this one actually. Multiplayer, yada yada yada. There we go. So, like I said, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and also leave in the comments what y'all would like to see on Offroad Outlaw. I love them, and I've also noticed the diesel. If you have a diesel truck, it blows less black smoke, which I really hate. I didn't think there was enough when you hit the gas anyways. Like, if you gun the gas or something, or if you just hold it in neutral, hold it in neutral. If it's in neutral and you gun the gas, it's gonna just sit there and roll cold. Well, it don't do that in the game anymore. I don't think it does it at all, actually. I could be wrong, it's just it just blows less black smoke, and I didn't think there was enough in the first place. So, let's see who all is in this map. I think it's the same map, actually. No, it's not. Oh wait, if you see your name again, leave it in the comments. I'm gonna start doing that maybe. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab over to this Jeep. I need to learn how to drive. I hate when people do that. No, I don't know, I like that Jeep. Oh, that was better wheelie than what I've ever done. Oh, that didn't work. Hit restart. Drive back over here. What did I bring? The green monster truck. Monster car. It was a monster truck. It's just tried to be. They should do monster trucks in this game. They gave us the monster truck suspension, but they should make it where you can do the chassis and everything monster truck style. And then they should give us monster trucks, like the body looks like a monster truck actually. Now, I know this game ain't monster trucks, it's offroad outlaws, but still, that would be cool. I mean, they gave us the monster truck suspension, they gave us everything else, why can't they do that? Now this car ain't as good as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to do some nice things. Oh no, just a little bit of air. See how much it is. This is in high. Well, fairly low. And here's in low. I don't even think it came off the ground at all. But, yeah, leave in the comments what y'all would like to see me do in this game. I don't know how long this YouTube video is going to be. I'm going to probably do a longer video than what I normally do. Depends how long the video is now, and I don't know. So, y'all may be getting a long video today. I don't know. I'm just bored and wanted to do a YouTube video and realized I haven't done a new update video. And it's, if you don't know, we had an update in Offroad Outlaws. This is a diesel truck. This is Duramax. And let's just take it on the woodland, not woodlands. Stunt park on single player. I'm a single player just to drive around and drive by myself. Cause I want to show y'all stuff. Look how much black smoke came out of that. It's kind of retarded. I'm just trying to hit these like a monster truck like actually would. He'll go up to it slow and then BANG! And they hit a couple times there. I mean, if you don't have a monster truck, you gotta act realistic. I need to do rear steering, but the game is like a little too crazy with rear steering, or maybe I just ain't tuning it right. I've messed around with the tuning and it still ain't right to me. Oh, wait. Test the wheels. Probably got the stiffness turned up. Oh, no, it's stiffness. I'm just flying now. I don't care if it's realistic or not right now. Man, this thing is like hard to steer. Like they're all hard, like the steering thing. I'm gonna try to hit realistic as possible. Oh man. It can't climb the wall. And like, it could just be me, but it also thinks, it's like, okay, so I'm a member on Offroad Outlaws. So, and it's supposed to make you faster from what I understand or something in the game or something. I don't know. And it feels like with the update they're just slower. And I wish they would have things like when we hit walls, like be like real monster trucks and you flip around. Like I'm getting into all the monster truck stuff now that they gave us monster truck suspensions and all that. But they changed it, I guess, where you can't drift as much. So they took one fun thing out the game. Another thing, watch this. Well, they must have fixed that. Used to, I couldn't hit that. I would hit it in something and it would just go bloop, and it'd stop because it would rub where it's like, I'm also driving a truck and I ain't driving no short vehicle either. And I've been practicing this new trick. I normally do it with one of my cars or something like that. Well, wrong button. Now try jumping over vehicles and stuff. It ain't working. Yeah, I think my phone's froze or something. Don't exactly know. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. One, because my phone is freezing, and two, the video is a little long, so please like and subscribe. Leave in the comments what y'all would like to see on Offroad Outlaws, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.